Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a group chat on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do if we want to create a group chat on Instagram is opening our Instagram direct message. Tap on this direct message icon, then you're gonna click on this pencil icon, and since we want to create a group chat, we can tap on create a group chat right here. Okay, then you're going to select some account you would like to add to your group chat. And for example, I'm going to add this account and this one as well. And after you're done adding people to your group chat, you can click on create a group chat. Okay, and now the group chat has been created, and you can start chatting on your group chat like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can create Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.